Okay, sir.
You're really lucky. The time is available. So good.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nandini, can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Nandini. I'm from Ernakulam in Kerala. I've completed my MBA in Finance and HR. I also hold a bachelor's degree in mathematics. Currently, I'm working with Tata Consultancy Services in the field of sanction screening.
Good.
Yes.
In TCS, which place are you working? Are you working from home or working
Nice,
from
sir.
office?
Working from office, sir.
Achha, which place?
In Chennai, sir.
Chennai. Good.
Yeah.
But you are a Malayali girl.
Yes, sir. Born and
Oh.
brought up in Kerala, and this is the first time that I'm coming out.
Why did they post you to Kerala in your Tamil Nadu instead of Kerala?
So it's a campus placement, so we do not have that option of choosing our desired location. So I thought it is also an opportunity for me to explore other
So what is the nature of work you are
places.
doing? What is the nature of work you are doing now?
Sir, it is actually screening process. It's actually called name screening, wherein we have to find there will be certain people and entities which will be sanctioned. Like Russia will be a sanctioned country. So all those things we have to screen whether our clients, customers are included in that sanction list. We have to find whether certain matches are there and then close the cases with certain comments.
Good. Very good. That's right. How many people work like you in the same line in your office?
So we are a team of 20.
20 people. Good.
Yeah.
Excellent. What is the timings of your work?
So morning 6:30 to evening 4:30.
So can you come immediately after 4:30 or you may have to sit late?
No, we have to extend our days.
Why?
Because the targets may not be like every day, it does not go smooth. So the cases that we get, it depends on what is the complexity of the cases that we get. Some days it will be like, okay, we can complete it within 4:30. But at times we have to extend. Yeah.
Go up to 6:30?
Yes. Even there have been days where we have to extend till 11:30 at night.
11?
From 6:30 to 11:30. Yeah.
Why? Babre.
It depends on the volumes that get generated, because we have a service level agreement that once a case gets generated, we have to close it within 5 days. So on that 5th day, sometimes the volumes would be very high. So there is no other option that we have to close everything.
Supposing you get delayed, they will arrange for vehicle service for dropping?
Since I am residing in a hostel which is near to my office, it's okay for me. But many people, they have their own mode of communication. Commutation. So
nowadays
it is manageable.
Vehicles are not provided.
Like since we are going in the morning shift, they arrange cab during the time, and since our shift gets completed by 4:30, they do not arrange for a return cab.
Okay, no problem. So now, the reason for shifting to bank?
Sir, here in this particular project, definitely the project has helped me to become a leader within myself, to explore what leadership skills that I have. And it also enabled me to understand that, yes, I am a person who can learn quickly. I am open to more challenging situations. I want to meet people. And here what we do is sit in front of a computer, do the things. We do not have that opportunity to interact with people and get to know the requirements. So I think banking sector is one where I can interact with many people, get to know what their requirement is, and then help them out and bring a smile on their face. That is the ultimate happiness that we can get.
You are a native of which place?
Ernakulam, sir.
What is your father?
My father is a retired LIC employee.
LIC employee means, was he a clerk or an officer?
Administrative officer. He retired as an administrative officer.
Excellent. Good. Who is the chairman of LIC now?
Sir, Siddhartha Mohanty.
Good. Excellent. Siddhartha Mohanty. Good. Can you tell TCS who is the important person on top now?
K. Krithivasan, sir. He's the CEO.
Very good. Now, TCS has got offices in how many countries?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, what do you know about banking? What is banking?
So, what banking is banking is a financial institution where in which they accepts deposit from customers and lend money to the public.
What is trial balance?
So trial balance is a statement which is prepared on a particular date to know the arithmetical accuracy of posting into balances of ledger accounts.
Now, please tell me, you are using which social websites?
Sir, I have WhatsApp,
Mm.
then Instagram,
Mm.
Facebook,
Mm.
LinkedIn.
Then what? So many.
LinkedIn. That's it, sir.
That's all.
Yeah.
How long do you spend every day on these pages?
Sir, I just go through mostly. It depends, like around 10 to 15 minutes. That is the maximum time that I get to scroll through this.
Okay. What
I'm
are
not
the
that scroller. So yeah.
what are the 5 benefits of pencil? What are the
Pencil.
uses of pencil? Black lead pencil.
Yeah. So it helps us to write. We can erase that. Then it is cheap. We can even scratch our head, throw it to others, and hit someone.
You know that. You have seen that video.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Why should we hire you?
Sir, I'm a person who is a quick learner. Commitment to excellence is one of my qualities. I am open to agile ways of working. I strongly feel that the way we do things today may not be the requirements of tomorrow. We need to get adapted to things. So that makes me agile. I'm relationship oriented, and I strictly follow the ethics of company and also follow my own code of ethics. And this makes me sustainable. So all these things, when put together, brings the quality, the ultimate value of Federal Bank, which is shortly called CARES. So that makes me completely aligned to a Federal Bank. So that is the reason I strongly feel that I need to get
What is CRAR ratio?
Sir, capital adequacy ratio.
Good. Now, what is the capital adequacy ratio of Federal Bank?
Sir, it is 14.28%.
What do you know about CSR? What are the suggestions for CSR?
So CSR is actually corporate social responsibility, which is the which aims at giving back to the society. So every company, it is mandatory that they allocate 2% of their profits of the previous 3 years profit, average of previous 3 years profit. They have to keep it for social service. And there are the law mandates certain sectors wherein these contributions have to be made, like in helping ex-servicemen, in education, in uplifting the skills of people and alleviating poverty, etc. So in Federal Bank, in case of talking with the aspect of education, the Federal Bank provides a scholarship called KP Hormus scholarship. Then even there are skill development centers. Even in Kochi, we have one.
Who is your role model?
So my role model, they're my parents, sir.
Which quality would you like to copy from them?
So the hardworking nature and the strong determination that they have, that everything, once you're determined, then, and if you have a strong focus on things, and if you put your 100% on the task at hand, you can definitely succeed.
Are you on Wi-Fi?
So that is the patient that they give me.
Are you on Wi-Fi?
On my mobile data, sir. Mobile data.
It's very good. Now your connection is very good. Jio, na?
Yes, sir.
Connection is very good. Your
thank you, sir.
Very seldom we have such good, clear connections.
Fortunately.
Very happy. So, which scheme have you opted for in Jio? 2,999? Which scheme?
Sir, it is like 3 months plan.
Yeah, some 898 something.
779. Yeah. Yes.
Whatever it is. Good. That's right. So now Jio recently offered some free month for 1 month extra. Is it true? Did you see that any
Yes,
such?
sir, I got it. Yes, I also got it.
Acha, you could get one
Yes,
month extra.
1 month extra, sir.
Acha, oh,
This
I
is my bonus period.
acha, oh, I tried for that, but I could not get it from foreign. It could not reach
Okay.
this place. It could not reach that. So, which TV channels do you watch in your Jio?
Sir, I do not watch TV channels, sir.
No, acha, Jio
No,
TV
sir.
is no. That's
It
good.
is available, but I seldom get time for those.
Very good. That's right. Now, let me see what else I can ask. You are basically from Dharmapuri.
No, sir, from Ernakulam.
Sorry, from Ernakulam. You told me.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is compound interest?
So compound interest is it is like interest. What can I say? Suppose if I have 100 rupees and the interest is 10 percentage, compounded annually. Say first year I'll be getting 110, and next year what happens is that on 110, 10% is calculated.
Very good. Correct. Interest on interest also is
Interest.
given.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay.
What
Okay.
is Newton's second law?
Sir, Newton's second law states that uh, um, yes, it is forces mass into acceleration.
What is Newton's third law of motion?
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
Can you name some Nobel laureates from India?
Um,
Okay. Can you tell me
yeah.
names of 3 Tamil Nadu ministers?
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
M.K. Stalin, I know.
Acha, sorry. You are from Kerala. So
Yes,
I think I don't know. Better you get to know about Tamil Nadu also and Kerala
Okay,
also.
sir. Okay, sir.
Kerala
Noted.
also better. That
It's
will be
okay.
better.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir. I'm very flexible. I am willing to get posted anywhere.
How many siblings are there for you?
I have a sister, sir, elder sister.
What is she doing?
She's working as a telecalling assistant.
Very good.
And,
yeah, it's somewhere. No problem. That's right. Otherwise, you are answering very well. Oh, no problem, because your confidence level is good. English is good. And subject wise, I have not gone deep into banking yet. Maybe second time when I talk to you, I'll try to ask some more questions. Now,
sure, sir.
Which bank you have an account?
I have an account with Indian Bank, sir.
Oh, super. TCS, is it not compulsory you should have account only in some banks?
Yes, sir. Actually, my mother is working with Indian Bank, so I have an account there. And also for salary account, I have it in SBI.
Oh, good. Your mother is working as what?
Assistant manager.
Oh, great. Which branch?
Sir, in Ernakulam itself, in the place called Kakanad.
I don't know. Very good. Who is the chairman of Indian Bank?
Sir, Ms. Shantilal Jain.
Good. When was Indian Bank started?
I think August 15, 1907.
Super. Best wishes selected. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.